This is the Schatzie's puppies at 5 weeks old, running around our TV room here. Just underneath the coffee table. There they come. Just having a grand old time. Playing with the big toys, the big stuffed toys. That's Mummy's stuffed toys they're playing with, and that's Mummy's bed they're on top of. And checking everything out. I let them do this here a number of times during the day. Here. Where you going? What you doing? Eh? Oh, I think there's one down here. Yeah. What you doing down there? Come on. Come here. There we go. Come on. There we go. Hey. Of course, they're coming around my feet now. You can hear their little pitter-patters on the floor when they're running. What you doing? Oh, there. Get out of there. You're chewing on the knob. They are just so cute. They really are. Hey, what you do? Oh, what you got there? Oh, get out of there. Get. There. This is going to be all over the place. But anyway, this is just to give you an idea of how much fun they have running around here. There we go. If I make it too long, it'll take forever to upload it, so. Oh, they're having a great old time. That's it for now.